on November, right?
December,
After Kartik,
December.
December. We have some pictures and some videos. Can we do a report to Puri Bhakti
Yeah, you can get
or back to Bhakti?
that to a
Do a report
full-
Sripad Vana Maharaj in Brazil?
Yeah, good.
What do you think? It's nice?
Yeah.
You bless us to
Yeah,
do this?
Nice.
Nice, okay. Kitanit can help me, huh? Okay. Depois do táxi. Vai ficar com bicicleta. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Hold. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram, Hare Hare. So how many cars came?
4.
Four. All came?
And no, Taruni.
Where is your car?
She didn't arrive yet. She's coming.
And there are some people there coming by trucks. Yes, they will park there.
By taxi?
Yeah.
Where is the Varuna car? He had not arrived.
No,
Varuna's car not?
No, no.
no. Report to back to back. Falou que sim, eu falei, sabe, só a gente, mas essa pessoa precisa da tua ajuda. A gente vai escrever. Tirando foto, que as lectures, né?
The ocean today is very strong.
Strong.
Yes.
You go to
Big
the
way. No, Shiva too, Maharaj, huh? Shiva too, huh?
Shiva only going.
Yeah. You're almost drowned in Ipanema.
Why?
Ipanema.
Yatra.
Yeah, almost drowned, Shiva.
Why?
He was swimming in the whirlpool, take him, and he was trying to go out, huh, Shiva? Prakashatma too, huh?
This is a memory, history.
And you told, huh? I'm not trust, huh? The water, fire.
Some people they lose their heart in Vrindavan, other people lose their life in Rio.
big, huh?
Yes.
And very quick also.
Yes, quick also.
But on that beach, they don't have any.
Yes. Let me show you. Nothing.
Not like
No.
You taking bath here or what you place? Here. You came here. Alone. You park your car where?
At the
Simply.
same place.
someplace. No, but maybe for the many people.
When you are taking bath here, there are no people also here, some?
Yes.
Eh?
Past the waves.
Also many people also before you, no?
No, just the surfers.
Oh. You go where? How far? 1
Past,
meter?
past
No.
the waves. Past the waves.
Many, from
No, all
beach
the
to
waves. Yeah.
1 meter, 100 meter? No.
I don't know.
Araç tem medo do mar, né?
I don't know what it is.
É o grama.
Yeah, I think
Because
it's a
you
little
cannot
bit
swim.
less than 100
You cannot
meters.
swim there. If you want to swim, you have to go beyond the waves.
Yeah. The shore, huh?
But they don't put any sign here. They make one sign. No sign. Here there's no sign.
Here no sign means all dangerous.
No. You're not arrived yet. They reach us, Maharaj. Don't worry.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna
Tá pouco mexido hoje. Já vai ter que fazer sombra no Maharaj. Ah lá, apagar lá.
Hare Krishna.
The story of Shamantaka Jew.
Samantaka ji.
Yeah, it is to tell that when you have wealth, this is dangerous. Because one person was killed and Satrajit was killed. Then Akrura he took the jewel. Even Krishna was accused of stealing. This is the teaching that wealth brings only difficulty, misery, problems.
This is the two things here. Wealth is the perpetual source of distress.
Yes.
My was writing his commentary, read. Wealth is the perpetual source of the distress. This is the nature of this material. Krishna is Bhagavan, but he is acting the role of human being.
Naralila.
So, and Krishna, he knew everything, what is going on, what is not. So, is it, you know the story?
Shamantaka.
Samantak Mani.
Yes, yes, I just read it again.
Actually, this Samantak Mani,
Surya,
Surjadev, sun god, he gave to
Satrajit.
Satraji. Because Satraji, he worshipped sun god.
Yes.
Then sun god very pleased with him. And then sun god gave him two things. And gave to Satyabhama and
And the
also
jewel.
and the jewels. Yeah. But first Krishna told, I don't want to take your big Samantak jewels. That is very, what is called, valuable, and every day
Producing
they are producing, I think,
10 kilos.
many, no, not 10 kilo, I think 8 mon. 8 mon means, and how many kilos? About 1,000 kilos
1,000 kilo, 1 ton
1 ton. Every day produce the
gold.
gold. But
1 ton of gold every day.
so
Like
he,
very soon you have too much gold.
but Krishna he don't want to take. So then that money he gave to
His son.
no the Prasanjit.
Yes.
His
Oh,
Satrajit,
his brother.
his brother, he gave to his brother because Krishna told no, I will not take this because Krishna is saying this way. This where is the gold, that problem will come. So Krishna told him, okay, you can give your brother Prasanjit. So Prasanjit one day he also took that the gold, what is called?
Samantaka jewel.
Samantak jewel, and he went to the forest to some hunting the beast or something this. And that time when he entered one place, that time one
Tiger or lion? Tiger or
tiger,
lion.
lion
Yeah, lion.
also attacked him.
Yeah, killed him.
Killed him.
He took the jewel.
Took the jewel. And this lion took the jewel and entered in the one cave.
Yes.
The lion. And that time when after a few days when Prasanjit he did not come back, that time everybody also blamed to Krishna.
Krishna, yes.
Oh, must be Krishna, he killed anyhow and took the jewel, had the jewel. Krishna knows these things, everything. But then one day Krishna, he said, oh, they are blasphemy to me. So Krishna one day he came and had the jewel, then he entered in the cave where the lion was taking rest. Actually what happened, then they came that they one bear,
Jambava.
bear. He also fight with the
Lion.
many months. Then he killed the lion.
And took the jewel.
Then took the jewel and entered in the cave where Satyabhama is.
She was there.
She was there. Satyabhama, she also nursed by the Jambu.
Yes.
So, no, Satyabhama, Jambuvati.
Jambavati. Yes.
So then he entered. Then about 27 days, Krishna and also Jambuvan, they also fighting.
Yeah.
Then no one can defeat to each other, just fighting. And that time Jambuvan then is thinking, who is he? No one, because Jambuvan he got one blessing, no one defeat to him. So he thinking which only Brahmaji told, maybe Lord Vishnu only can defeat you, no one can defeat. So after 27 days, then he realized, oh, maybe he is saying Bhagavan, Vishnu. Then Jambuvan, he completely surrendered to Lord Krishna. And he also, okay, then he gave to Jambuvati
His daughter
and also
the
jewel. Then Krishna returned back and that also gave to
Ugrasen.
Satrajit. But then everything is over. How is he got everything is over here? So Krishna he did not steal nothing. Then again also Satrajit told no, you take this. Then he gave to Satyabhama and this jewel. Then what happened here? This what is his name? First it is what is name? I forget. And one is name who did not also kill in Kurukshetra. Just remember his name. And he and also another, they also with the consult with Akru. If Akru also involved with the Samantak money, that
They killed Satrajit.
they killed Satrajit and took the jewels and
Akrura and
then again also people they also
Krishna.
blame to the Krishna, must be he killed Satrajit. And he took the but that time Krishna and Balaram, they also chasing behind to him. I forget this name, very nice in the Bhagavad. Then Baladev Prabhu And Baladev and Krishna are him, and also that jewels are not with him. As the just jewels he gave to Akrura. Then Akrura he did not tell to Krishna. Akrura he is keeping himself.
And he went to a different city.
And he was also hiding, these things. Krishna knows things. Here also Jiva Goswami Pad explained why Akrura this mentality is coming.
Because he took
Why he
Krishna,
involved and with the Samantagmani, because
took Krishna out of Vrindavan.
because Akrura he committed offense, lotus feet of Gopi. So for this reason his mind contaminated.
Huh.
This reason. So then again one day Krishna in the assembly house, Krishna told, oh this gold is with Akrura. Then Akrura became very ashamed. Then Akrura turned back, then gave it. This is the story of Samantagmani. Then Krishna told, I will not do it.
Because only problems.
Yeah, always problem. Where is the gold? That's the problem.
And this Jew still exists, Maharaj.
Yes, of course. These jewels in Jagannath Puri. Understand? If you go Jagannath Puri, they are saying in where the Lord Jagannath sitting, there is one also, there are treasury are there. Hidden in many kinds of those jewels. And inside also one snake are there. They are saying, the Pandas are saying, they are making sound.
Snake protects treasure.
Then protect that place. No one can protect. Only Lord Jagannath, when big festival, that time main pujari, head pujari, he is going and taking the jewels and decorate happening. And after the festival, again also return back. Then called Anantadev direct. His name. Vasudev, what is called? Ananta Bhagavan. Says Bhagavan. And also protect that, all the jewels of Lord.
This is Jagannath's property. Sometimes even friends,
Careful, Maharaj.
family members, they kill each other for money. We see in the material world sometimes that friends will kill each other, or sometimes also family members just for money. Like the story you told about lottery.
Yeah. Yesterday I told, Nanda Maharaj, he has very strong impressions in his heart. Krishna is my son. And
Lala.
this is the strong impression. But this strong impression comes from Yogamaya. And in this material world, mundane people, they have also strong impressions
So they are dogs.
from the Mahamaya.
All that belong to. I visit a lot of old people and they always complain. And old people, they always complain about the body being sick. And also, they only live in the past, memory, good things in the past. That's all they know.
Some, past memory they can remember, coming.
Yeah. The happiness, when you're getting very old, you have no spiritual life. Happiness is only in the past. They only see misery now and the future.
sarva karma krita. Shraddha means this kind of firm faith, strong faith. If I perform bhajan sadhana to Krishna, then my life will be successful. And sarva karma krita. That's why I perform all kinds of activities, karma, gyan, yoga, tapasya, and all everything I did. No need it already, so no need it again. Only this life, do bhajan sadhana, chant Hari. Khanda khanda hoy jodi deha pran, tathapi badane na chariye bhajan. If my body cut in pieces, I will not give up. Harinam. This type of strong faith.
But this Shraddha tends to be like Nishtha already.
Because Shraddha is going.
Yes, all the way.
Shraddha is going to Mahabhav. There is in the Mahabhav two things are there. That is called Anurag. Anurag, deep attachment coming towards Krishna, that comes two things. Prasthanu Snehanubandhanam or Darshan Atripta. Remember the two. What did they say? Parasparanu Snehabandhanam.
Sneha Bandhana.
Snehabandhanam. They are so much tied with their love and affection. Sneha means
Affection.
affection. There is Parasparanu Snehabandhanam. Bound. Bound with the Parasparanu Snehabandhanam. Or Darsane Atripta. Darsane Atripta, they never will be satisfied to take darshan to each other.
They will never be satisfied.
Satisfied. And Krishna always thinking how to see
There is Maharaj.
face of Srimati Radhika.
They're always
Krishna-
hankering.
Their
Their thirst
Krishna
never-
or Srimati Radhika, she is also thinking how to see Krishna. That's for the darshan of the 1,000 times looking. But
Always
thinking,
increasing.
I did not see to him. That is only absolutely manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Sometimes I told this, what it's called. Rupa Goswami Pad explained in one grantha, what is it? Vidagdha Madhav or I think Vidagdha Madhav. Srimati Radhika she just came out from the Kunj of Krishna. In the doorway, Lalita Devi she was sitting. Then Lalita Devi she asked, "Hey Radhe, so now you are meeting, now just you met with your beloved Govinda. So just to clarify, how is Krishna? How is beautiful from Krishna? Just to explain. And how his eyes, how his face, how his nose, and you tell him." Then Srimati Radhika, she is saying, "Lalita, I did not see to Krishna. How is it? Have you seen? So you explain to me. I did not see to him." Srimati Radhika, I did not see to Krishna. How is he? So there, just now you also met with him. But no, I did not see to him. I am eager to
See.
see. Where is Krishna? How is he? These types of eagerness. That is called Darsane Atripta.
Darshane.
Atriptata. And so, Brihad Bhagavatam Mritam, Sanatana Goswami Pad give this types of example. You can read Sanatana Goswami Pad, Brihad Bhagavatam Mritam, Digdarshani Tika, explain when these types of Anurag coming, then that time always when he is unsatisfied, I'll take more. As the waves coming, you can look 1,000 times, you can sit here. And one by one, waves come. The waves will be never stop. How many waves are coming? Look, different. 1,000. Whole day you can sit and see the ocean.
You can count the waves.
All the waves. They come. So Sanatana Goswami give an example. These types of Anurag as like one kind of disease that is called Sandipani. Sandipan fever. One kind of fever, they call Sandipan fever. That fever is you are always very thirsty. You are thirsty.
You drink.
You drink water.
Yes.
But in that the disease, doctor will say no, you should not give the water.
Like diabetes, no? When you have diabetes, that's
Yeah.
one symptom. You drink.
Yeah. Though if you, but doctor is saying, but the patient cannot tolerate the thirst.
Yes.
If you give me water, give me water.
Yes.
There's the throat one about to dry.
Yes.
We say no, give. That time giving 1 drop water.
The water, Maharaj, the water.
Water's coming.
One drop.
You're
one
calling,
drop
huh?
water.
You're calling.
Then when he drink the 1 drop water, then more he is also
Eager.
eager is coming. Oh, give more water. But doctor said no to get, because if you drink the water, then you will be die. That disease will be.
Oh.
So Sanatana Goswami Pad give this types of example Brihad Bhagavatamam, that because Sannipat fever, Sannipat joy. Usually. This.
And what's the better medicine for this? The best medicine for this?
It's material disease. All the spiritual disease.
Yeah.
Because this is only how to take darshan before Govinda. Because
Never
Govinda,
be
why?
satisfied.
Because Krishna is there, Navanabayaman there. You know Navanabayaman, always ever fresh.
Always young.
Yes, you are not beautiful. If this material was not possible, you will be never ever fresh. One
Always
day you are
bad smell.
wrong
I was
Yeah,
15
grow up.
years old.
Yeah, they pulled.
Plastic surgery, yeah.
Yeah.
In the material world also there's always thirst for more Krishna, you know, more and more material things. Never satisfied also. That's the difference. It's misery.
Paraspranu Srivandanu Darsanati. So much of tied with their love and affection. Mother Jasoda, she is looking to Krishna. Every time she remembering. It's not only these two things with Vatsalya Bhav and especially in the heart of Mother Jasoda and the Gopis, not others. And Prati Sandarbha, Srila Jiva Goswami Pad explained, the Anurag coming that time, the 2 symptoms in there. Praspranu Snevandam, that's not in this material you can see the waves when they are, what is called? Coming and downing, river. You can do and always you say, you think so, how is it? And all the waves of the different waves, new waves.
Yeah.
But it's not also it's part of the Ashintya Shakti, like in the material world, like Madhvacharya also was saying. 2 things never similar. Even scientists they say when it snows, the flakes, the snowflakes, not one snowflake same as the other. They can go see microscope. It has different shapes. Not one single one same as the other. Everything in the material world is different. It's a difference.
diferente no material.
What is called Vaichitrata.
Kishitra, yeah.
Vaichitra means
Inconceivable or wonderful.
Você vai chita.
Vaichitra English, what is called? Variety.
Variety.
Right.
Variedade. Vai chita.
But it's also Ashintya. We always say here in Brazil, you are not qualified to hear Madhurya Katha. And Gurudev, he was always saying you should read 10th canto. Even Srila Prabhupada, he told disciples when they are lusty, they should read Rasa Lila, because they will see that Rasa Lila are more beautiful and spiritual, and they will take away their lust.
Take away the last, you have to listen this katha from the
Modified.
Vikritam bhajante idanta Vishnu Shraddhanito Anusunna.
Shraddhanvita.
Shraddha and Anusunna. Shraddha means of faith. And Anusunna the Guru Mukha Sunna. You have to listen this katha. High class example as like Sukhdev Goswami.
Rashika.
And it is not Madhyamadika. Wow. And Shraddha means is what? When this Shraddha means did Shraddha, firm faith. Yeah.
Then you get Paragat.
Otherwise, your the mundane conception will come. Many people they are reading Git Govindam, Sri Krishna Bhavanamrit, Ras Lila Katha, then last digit.
Especially when they read translation are not good. You know, translation they suggest mundane conception. Yeah, it's not wrong translation. When Gurudev he had this Gita Govinda published in English, in Navadvip he said, I think not maybe one person qualified, not one person qualified to read this in English. But Gita Govinda very very high quality, very beautiful poetry. Especially separation mood, Vipralamba.
Vipralamba and Sambhag both are. So in the invocation slok, Jadev Goswami, Jadi Hari Smarane Sarasang Mano, Jadi Vilasa Kalasa Kutu Halam, Madhura Komala Kamta Padavali Snutada Jai Deva Saraswati. Jadi Hari Smarane Sarasamana. If you really to submerge in the divine love of Radha and Krishna, and to satisfy your mind. Jadi Hari Smarane Sarasamana. Jadi Vilasa Kalasa Kutuhanam. If you really you have to inquisitive mood how to merge in Prema Rasa. Then if Jadev Goswami Sunutada Jaya Deva Saraswati. Jadev Goswami pass, then you can listen. Or Jadev Goswami saying, my this Gita Govinda. Otherwise not. If you have really you have agreed or not. Because yesterday I told at a time two sword you cannot keep one. Yes.
Oh yes.
Understand? This is the point. And you are greed to material sense gratifying enjoyment and to spiritual that is not possible.
They have an expression also in English, sitting between two chairs. You cannot sit, there's no seat.
Yeah.
Sitting between two chairs, you want to have the two chairs. Then you fall down.
It's true.
Gita Govinda, very beautiful book.
Yes, that is called Apragita.
Like
the
Murti,
transcendent.
like
Yeah.
a Murti.
Yes.
You can put on the altar and do aarti.
The firemen sent the main station of the firemen. 20 years.
The lifesavers.
What they are doing?
Well, they are the people who can rescue drowning, you know. They have this machine.
You have to swim a
They
lot,
also
Maharaj.
have also a helicopter.
Oh dear. Haribo, Hare Krishna.
Pretty good. It's strong, very healthy. But they have to be there.
Hare Krishna. Haribo.
Os caras foram por todas as praias, né? Leblon, Ipanema, ah, só aqui. Lá tem. Aí isso aqui é daqui.
Gurudev, very high class Vaishnava because he translated Gita Govinda in English, never done before by Vaishnava. And also his last work was Vedanta Sutra. So also Tattva Siddhanta, both Rasa Tattva and Tattva Siddhanta. Vedanta Sutra very elevated to Tattva Siddhanta. That's
Bhakti Vedanta.
The significance of Vedanta, that is called Bhakti. Bhakti, that is called the Prema Bhakti. Prema Bhakti is, that is called. The last limit of Prema Bhakti is the Mahabhava Srimati Radhika.
This water is very polluted. Means o quê? Ele falou que era
Dirty.
Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Vedanta Prabhupada explained. A general sadhak, they are, what is their qualification? They can listen. Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya. Because when you listen Vatsalya, you can apply, arop, impose. This is very easy. Do you understand what I am speaking? If you listen Vatsalya Katha, parental mood of Nanda, Jasoda,
You can understand easily.
easy, and you can impose also.
Yes, yes.
Krishna as my son, you can impose. But when you listen the Madhurya Katha, Gopi Katha, how to impose? This is very, very also complicated. That time automatically Sahaja Bhav will come.
You have this materialist samskar.
Material sanskar automatically. So saying this is what is called conjugal bhav, conjugal mood, very confidential. And if you are not free from anarthas, then material conception will come. Srimati Krishna is pulling the cloth of Srimati Radhika. When you listen but when you read, then what you looking? You are watching the TV and one man he also pulling the cloth of
A lady.
a lady. This is material conception will come. Krishna is one what is called mundane person, or Srimati Radhika she also is. And many people I don't know, they are just what is called watching many what is called stupid nonsense things.
Yes, yes.
Naked things, and Western country everything is viable. And in the road, in the way, bad picture,
Yeah, the
naked
picture. Always naked picture.
And even I saw the what is called many rich person house, there naked picture of the ladies.
Yeah.
You know, ladies or the statue, ladies.
Oh, yeah, statue. of lady.
Yes. Why they are doing? I cannot understand. Why this mentality?
They think it's this is the like the beauty in art.
Beauty of art.
But in India also now.
Nowadays, also because now India is influenced by the
By the
Western
West,
culture.
yes.
Everywhere. Why people they like this? I cannot understand why. Even the airport, what you can see,
Airport,
Heathrow airport, I saw this.
Yes, yes.
When you first there are the bad picture, negative picture. Why?
In Paris, I saw in the metro an advertise how to cheat your husband.
Yeah, it's sex culture, Maharaj.
How to. Why was Gurudev speaking about this then? Westerners not qualified to hear this. Gurudev Rasa Acharya
Westerners are not
qualified to hear.
because they listen to her. They are Westerners. They are the spontaneous. They are the what do you call sanskar from their birth. For these types of things, because from the birth they are looking the negative picture.
Yes, yes, yes.
India we have never very
Yes, yes.
very rare. And India law is there also. If the negative picture, you have to go to jail.
It was like this in the West before.
Yes, Indian
Even
law is
kissing-
there also.
Kissing in public.
But
is
not
forbidden.
law is not what is called
Follow.
follow, but law is there.
Yeah.
Understand? If you put the naked picture, these things, you have to go to jail. This is the truth. And one boyfriend, girlfriend to kissing,
Stop.
then you have to go to the jail also.
Yeah. In America, it was like this before. No, it was not allowed before, in the 50s.
Because so far they are Western people, they have spontaneous their nature, and even the small boy, they know what is everything.
They know where baby come from.
They know
They teach
everything.
them. They
What
tell
you will say? I cannot explain this.
Someone to translate.
Vitratonic materialization, a materialização vitratônica é possível hoje.
He's asking about materialization. Materialization, Vitratonic materialization, Maharaj. Is one.
Ask to you the materialization vitratonic. It is possible today in India or Brazil. Have master in Brazil to make the vitalization vitratonic. É o aparecimento.
Materialization meaning like you materialize something.
Baba has subtle thing that comes
Okay, like Sai Baba.
disappear. Yes.
Yeah, like Sai Baba.
Appear and disappear.
Não é do mestre. Ele tá
Come
falando
the earth appear to you and disappear. It is possible today.
algum mestre.
Possible. Those who are the yogis, Paramahansa Yogananda, they are the yogis. According to the yoga process, they can also do these things. It's possible. Possible.
You've seen. You have seen.
Yes, in Brasília, Vale do Amanhecer, I saw Tia Neiva and Tiãozinho, the master of the Vale do Amanhecer. Fala pra ele.
I think that's one place near Alto Paraíso, Maharaj. I saw this with some.
I saw
some
Tia
magicians.
Neiva and Tiãozinho. Yes, they can. Actually, that they get one kind of mystic power.
É um tipo de.
Poder
In
místico.
this mystic power, they can do also things.
Eles
Possible.
podem fazer isso.
But who is the supreme? Wonderful. Supreme is the Krishna, is the supreme yogis.
Ele está falando que o yogi supremo, o mestre supremo, que faz todas as mágicas é Krishna. Ele que controla se as pessoas podem fazer alguma coisa. E pra gente é Deus, a suprema personalidade de Deus. Ele que é o grande mágico, ele que é o grande poderoso. Pergunta pra ele, na escala desses mestres Babaji. Babaji. Na escala desses mestres Babaji. Hoje, ele aparece na Índia ainda? Today Babaji appear in the India today? Appear Babaji? He asking about the Babajis. I don't
Still
know.
exists in India.
No, it's Yogananda. Yeah, Paramahamsa Yogananda. They said there's someone in the Himalaya called Babaji. He's like many hundreds of years old, and he looks like 16 years old, and he appears in front of people.
Yeah, possible. Because I told they yogis, according to the yoga process, they can manifest their form also. First.
De acordo com esses poderes iógicos, essas pessoas podem
Manifestar esses poderes. Ah.
Here in Brazil, there are many people that are very interested in this kind of things, magicians and cities, yoga cities,
Spirit cities,
materialization.
People very interested on that, of
To
magic.
talk with someone that have already
This is the
died.
influence of Maya.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
And they are so absorbed in this.
Otherwise, they
kind
don't
of-
believe anything, you know? They
Once
have
there
to
was
see
a magician.
materialization.
There was a magician, he came to Srila Prabhupada, our Srila Prabhupada.
Yeah.
He was making things appear, disappear like this from the ear of Prabhupada, make coins appear. And Prabhupada wasn't saying anything. Then at the end, he says, you are a good magician, but I'm better magician than you because I can make birth and death disappear.
You can make what disappear?
Your
Birth
birth
and
and death.
Birth and death. Oh. Ele falou que uma vez o Prabhupada estava nos Estados Unidos, ele encontrou um desses mágicos assim que ficava fazendo a moeda aparecer, desaparecer da orelha de Prabhupada, mas o Prabhupada ficou quieto, né? Aí ele falou assim, você é muito bom mago, mas eu sou mais mago que você, porque eu consigo fazer com que o nascimento e a morte desapareçam.
Sai Baba also, he likes to materialize.
Yes, too much.
He likes to materialize watch.
Yes,
He
watch.
disappear from your wrist and it comes. Someone says, I'm a great magician, I can make all your money
But we are not
disappear.
interested on that.
Because
Bhakti
if
yoga
you
is not
show
about
many
that.
kinds of mystic power, people will be gathered.
Yes.
Because people didn't want this.
They want,
Yes.
yes, because this like
Curiosity, what is that?
They
How
want
to
to
get material
materialize gold, huh? Materialize gold and jewels, huh?
it's like Shamantaka. Krishna didn't want this because it attracts
But
wrong things.
they never to, what is called, to cross the ocean of birth and death.
Yes, true.
Uh-huh.
Again and
Become
again,
attached, huh?
wandering in the same cycle of birth and death.
Become attached.
This fruit lady from Mathura.
Ah, okay.
The
Palak, you know, they
Yeah.
was all transformed into jewels. She threw this in the Yamuna, Gurudev said. She was selling fruits, you know. And then after Krishna sat down and left, all the food became jewels.
Yeah.
But she didn't keep the jewels. She threw them in the Yamuna. For modern people, you tell the story of Sudama Vipra. They like very much.
Deu wave, Maharaj.
Rupa Goswami Pad explained this in the middle of the ocean. The mountain is as like the man of Srimati Radhika. Well, ocean cannot also cover. Krishna is as like ocean, Rasa. But Srimati Radhika's man is very but sometimes also overflowing, but again also coming up. Krishna specified the man of Srimati Radhika, but again Srimati Radhika's man also has coming.
Ele falou que o mana de Srimati Radhika é como uma montanha no oceano. Que o mar pode até cobrir às vezes, mas ele volta a aparecer. A montanha volta sempre a aparecer, surge sempre do meio do mar, entendeu?
So, the waves frame,
As ondas de prema.
and again also has. So, what is called?
Jai Gurudeva Maharaj.
When the waves again and again, what is called? Stacking, you know?
Yes.
What is called English? So
They come again and
again come, but Srimati Radhika's man is not specified.
Even big waves.
Big wave.
Maharaj, swinging disciple Maharaj. Swinging disciple Maharaj.
Yeah, nice.
Not listen to Harikatha. Ele falou que as ondas, mesmo que as ondas de prema venham grandes e grandes, o manto de Srimati Radhika e Krishna às vezes apazigua, né, pacificar esse man dela, ele volta a surgir de novo. Sempre volta a surgir. Ele consegue apaziguar.
Because Srimati Radhika's man is very strong, and in this man, Srimati Radhika, she controls to Krishna.
Yes.
Man is as like, you know, man.
Yes. Salki moon.
Salki moon. That means this man is as like goat. The goat, they control the elephant.
Yes. Goat.
One is small, control.
Então
So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she controls Krishna as like a mad elephant. And
Krishna is a mad elephant.
Krishna is as like a mad elephant. As Srimati Radhika's man is as
small.
like small
Goat.
goat and control to Krishna.
Ele tá falando que esse man de Srimati Radhika controla Krishna. Krishna é como um elefante maluco e Srimati Radhika é como aquele bastãozinho que controla o elefante.
You don't have elephant.
Zoo. Ele é controlado por esse mana, né? É esse mana de Srimati Radhika que controla ele. Sentimento de ciúme.
So in Parakya Bhav, Paramount mood, there are four things are very important. There is one called Bammota. Bammota means the left wings move. Then this one. Bammota. Then this one. Bammota Prachuna Kamakata. In they are the transcendental lost in their heart towards Krishna, but that is also what? Hidden. They are not showing their expression of their transcendental love.
Eden.
Hidden. Yeah, hidden. And this is Bammota Prachuna Kamakata. Nivaranata. Nivaranata, when they used to go to meet with Krishna, that time superior person stopped to them. That time there are more and more the eagerness coming to meet with Krishna.
Someone stopping,
Yeah, they are
like Jatila.
their mother-in-law, father-in-law, superiors, brother. Where are you going? Night time. That time there are so much also eagerness coming. Because if anything is forbidden, and that time also has more curiosity is coming. Increase.
Like when people say don't go see Narayan Maharaj, then curiosity comes.
Yeah.
Oh, he must have something interesting to
Interesting.
say.
Why they are saying don't go? So I have to go see. Yes. So Prachana Kamakata, Nivaranata, Bammota, and fourth, another one.
How to cheat your husband?
No. Okay. Tell you later. And mainly the Bammota, this is the main thing.
Left one.
Yeah.
You don't
The
make it to...
Durlabhata means very, very rare to meet with Krishna also. Yeah. Because Jogmaya arranged, always they are thinking, I am married lady. Yeah. So I have husband, how will to meet with Krishna? Yeah. So these types of the mood in it.
So not too easy.
Easy, yes. That Sanskrit word, that is called Durlabhata.
Durlabha. Yeah.
Durlabh means very, very rare.
Rare, yes.
Okay, Krishna told to the gopis, today I met with you, or it's called any forest, Bhandirbat. Okay. But Krishna, that day he did not go to the Bhandirbat, he went towards the, what is called, any forest. Lohavan, you know? So they went there, gopis, they went to Bhandirbat, but Krishna is not there.
He's not there.
So gopis they also, that is called the Durlabhata. Durlabhata means very, very rare to meet with Krishna. Not so easy to meet with Krishna. This is.
But gopis and Krishna meet every day.
No.
Not
If they
every day.
Not every day. If it's everyday meeting, what is the difference in Sakya and Parakya?
Some tricks, by tricks. Like
Sakya
when they
to-
go to Surya, worshipping Surya.
They are only Sunday.
Only on
Surya
Sunday.
Puja. Yeah. Only Sunday, Surya Puja. Every day not Sunday, the worship to Sun. Sunday they are going to, okay.
Senão ele tem os dois humores para criar.
So it's difficult.
Yes.
Tem dois humores diferentes, de amizade e de amante. Tem só um dia
Huh?
por semana.
Midday
That is called the, that is in transcendental world, what is called? Aprakita Chit Jagat, that is going on.
Oh, but when Jatila, Kutila is there, not possible.
Jatila Kutila cannot go to that place.
Yeah.
But Prakat Lila, in this material world, Prakat Lila, not every day. To meet with this.
So many times in separation. Then.
Yes, separation is there. Because separation creates the
Eagerness.
eagerness to meet. Nobina vipralambena sambhoga pushti masnuti jatha ranjayate kasayate vastra. Separation creates the more eagerness how to meet with Krishna. Look, that as like mountain, big mountain. That woods are going long, big mountain.
There's mountains there.
Yeah, you can look. Going.
But never cover, no.
Like this.
Wow.
From here to here, you can look. Eyes going to this way, big mountain.
Yeah.
Blue mountain.
This is Srimati Radhika, mom. Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. Where will go? Far more?
Yes.
Little bit more.
Because love is as like ocean, prema samudra.
Yeah. Very deep.
Very deep. So, saying very different. Prem only the 2.5 words. No, half syllables. Piriti, piriti valiya kar. Piriti, tinti akhar piriti valiya kar. Piriti.
3 syllables.
3 syllables are there. But very rare person, they know the meaning of love. You should be a harmonist.
Yes.
In our Gaudiya, the harmonists, they also explain this way, this song.
Yeah.
I think Vidyapati or Chandidas song. Piriti, piriti, piriti boliya, tinti akhar koi, জলের মাটির উপরে জলের স্থিতি তাহার উপরে ঢেউ, তাহার কথা না জানে কেউ. So what kinds of love? Where this love is coming? What is the meaning of love? Love
Let's
is not
sing this
mundane
one,
thing.
Let's sing this one today.
Huh?
Let's sing this one today.
Yeah.
As Swamiji was saying that in material world, the closest love that you can come to, purest love, is the love of the mother for the child. Because the child doesn't give anything back, only problems too and stuff.
Yeah.
And she only always gives. She's ready to sacrifice herself. Yes, working for
Love means sacrifice, give to everybody,
Yeah.
and not also thinking to what is called
Get enjoyment.
get other things.
Get some result. Yeah.
Yeah. So English people, they are written in there. Father is a nice bank. Take money from him, never to give back. Father is a nice bank. Take money. Never give back.
No interest.
No interest.
O pai é.
Ei.
Ali faz. Ui, sorry.
Sometimes when we're very proud, we think.
Huh?
Sometimes if we are very proud, we think Maya will not touch me. It's like water; it will not touch me.
Don't trust the water.
Fire,
Maya
water.
also.
We go? No? More another? Here?
Picture, Maharaj.
Okay, last picture. Which one our last? This one? Or yes. Okay, take last picture. Good picture.